Number 1.
1991 Ford Ranger, price $7,200. This is a well-maintained truck with 69,000 miles on the odometer. It features a manual transmission, a sleek black exterior, and a gray interior. The truck runs great and has been upgraded with new seats, and new carpet will soon be installed. Regular tune-ups and oil changes are planned shortly to ensure it remains in top condition. It currently sports Eagle Alloy 206 wheels with Cooper tires, which slightly rub in the front, though this issue is expected to be addressed soon. For buyers who prefer the original look, the truck also comes with its factory tires and rims. The seller notes that as more improvements are made, there will be less room to negotiate on the price.
Number 2.
1995 Ford F-150, price $6,750, boasting 171,800 miles on the odometer. Powered by a robust 5.8L engine, paired with an automatic transmission and 4WD capabilities, it offers excellent performance and versatility. The exterior is finished in an eye-catching red, perfectly complemented by a clean gray interior, making it as visually appealing as it is functional.
Running on gasoline, this truck is both practical and dependable.
Despite its age, this F-150 has been kept in excellent condition, with only very minor rust visible on the rocker panels, a remarkable feature for a vehicle of this vintage. It has undergone significant maintenance and upkeep, including new front brakes, a recently installed battery, spark plugs, and a fuel pump, ensuring it remains in peak operating condition. While not flawless, this truck is impressively clean for its age and offers reliability and classic appeal, making it an excellent choice for enthusiasts or those seeking a durable vehicle with timeless character.
Number 3.
1996 Nissan King Cab, price $3,500. This truck is in good condition and comes with a clean title. It has been driven for 208,000 miles, with the odometer accurately reflecting its usage. It features an automatic transmission and a 4-cylinder engine, providing a reliable and efficient driving experience. The exterior of the truck is a stylish green color, while the interior is equipped with comfortable gray cloth seating. It runs on gasoline and is a 2WD model, making it ideal for everyday use. The truck is also equipped with original aluminum rims, adding to its classic appearance. Additionally, the vehicle has an aftermarket radio for enhanced audio experience.
Despite its mileage, the truck has been well maintained and is in good shape, ready for many more miles of reliable service. Number 4.
1999 GMC Sierra 1500, price $8,500. It has 365,000 miles and is powered by a reliable 5.3L engine with an automatic transmission. It features a smooth ride with Procomp shocks, an RCD lift kit, and 4x4 capabilities, making it ideal for snow and off-road driving. The truck also boasts a dual exhaust system, upgraded stereo, Pacer chrome wheels, and a bed liner for both style and functionality. Recently, new BF Goodrich tires were installed at Schultz Tire in Auburn. The truck has been well maintained, with oil changes every 2,000 miles and several recent upgrades, including a new steering gearbox, tie rods, idler arm, pitman arm, water pump, fuel pump, and fresh brake pads.
The transmission has been serviced and a new battery was installed, ensuring it remains a reliable and ready-to-drive truck. Number 5.
1978 Ford F-150, price $10,000. This is a stunning truck that runs and drives great, offering a reliable driving experience. It is powered by a 351M engine, paired with an automatic transmission, and features a clean white exterior and interior. The truck has been driven for 3,000 miles and uses gasoline as fuel. Recently, several upgrades were completed to enhance its performance, including the installation of a brand new Edelbrock carburetor, new plugs, and a new battery.
The truck's overall condition is excellent, and it provides a smooth, enjoyable ride. The current owner is parting with it due to having too many vehicles. Number 6.
1992 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,500. It has an odometer reading of 186,000 miles on the body frame, and it is equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. 4 months ago, a rebuilt 355.7L engine was installed, which has only accumulated 500 miles since the replacement. The truck has been owned by 2 individuals, both of whom were over 40 years old. Previously, the truck belonged to the user's father, and both the user and their father are currently facing serious health challenges. Due to these circumstances, they are both struggling with the situation and the future of the truck. The truck features a blue exterior and a matching blue interior.
Number 7.
1984 GMC 2500, price $8,000. This truck is in excellent condition, with a total of 143,800 miles driven.
It features an automatic transmission, a 6.2L diesel engine, and a blue exterior with a black interior.
The truck runs and drives great, and everything is in working order. It has custom bucket seats, a CD player, air conditioning, a working heater, and a tow bumper, as well as good tires. The truck has been well maintained, with no rust present, and the entire fuel system was replaced after 2011. Additionally, it has a new glow plug controller, glow plug relay, and new batteries, along with a recent oil change.
The current owner uses this truck as a daily driver. Number 8. 1992 Chevrolet C2500, price $8,750, with only 88,900 miles on the odometer, making it a low-mileage gem. It is powered by the original 350 engine, paired with an automatic transmission, ensuring a smooth and reliable driving experience. The exterior is a vibrant red, while the interior features a comfortable gray color scheme. This truck runs great and has been carefully kept in its original condition, with all parts intact and functioning as they should. It runs on gasoline, making it a practical option for daily use or work-related tasks. With its low mileage, strong performance, and classic appeal, the 1992 Chevrolet C2500 offers both reliability and style for those looking for a dependable, original truck. Number 9.
1986 Ford F-250, price $7,900. This is a classic diesel truck with only 99,700 miles, a C6 automatic transmission, and rear-wheel drive. Finished in blue inside and out, it features a Banks Sidewinder turbo diesel, new tires, and a Bluetooth retrosound radio for modern convenience. The truck boasts a well-maintained interior and is smog-exempt, making it especially appealing for California buyers. While the truck is in good overall condition, it does have minor issues. The front end needs work as it pulls slightly to the right, the paint is peeling, and the fuel gauge is non-functional. A replacement sending unit is included. Additionally, the air conditioning works but has a leak that requires a hose replacement or recharge.
Number 10.
1970 Ford F-100, price $10,000, with a 352 FA engine and a 3-speed column-shift transmission, offering an authentic vintage driving experience.
Featuring power steering and a long bed, it's both practical and enjoyable to drive.
Though repainted once, it hasn't been fully restored, maintaining its classic charm while still looking great. Its lowered stance, achieved with Explorer springs in the front and rear shackles, complements its timeless appeal and enhances its handling. Recent updates include new shocks, belts, hoses, a one-wire alternator, a new power steering pump and bracket, a newer carburetor, and a refreshed interior with new carpet and headliner.
The truck also boasts a dual exhaust system and ADCO sway bars for improved performance and stability.